guys. Good morning, guys, and welcome to another beautiful day in Thailand. I'm in my apartment in Pattaya Hill, and today I want to show you how to take a Bolt taxi. Okay, guys, let's take a look at the Bolt app. As you can see here, I have my apps, and I press the Bolt app as the green one here. Then we open, and the Bolt app find out where my location is. As you can see down here, my previous trips are coming up on the screen, and you can see if I go other places, they will show up here, and it's easy to go to those places very fast. So let's take a look. You can put in your location here if you want in this search field, or you can search in previous. For example, if I want to choose I Love Emily, that is my favorite restaurant, it comes up here and shows the route, and down to Jomtien here, my location is here. It will take, for this normal taxi, you see it changes 7 minutes to be here before the taxi is here. As you see, the most expensive is the yellow taxis. It's 136 baht for this trip, and if I want to take a motorbike, it's 37 baht, and it will be here in 1 minute. The yellow taxi will be here in 10 minutes, the nearest one. And you see it changes all the time. Now there is no yellow taxis available, so I always choose the white one, the economic. It takes 8 minutes to come here now, and it costs 63 baht. That is all inclusive. It's up to you if you want to give some tip extra. I always give 10 or 20 baht in tip when I arrive, because you cannot put your credit card into this app yet. So you always have to pay cash. If I choose another one, it's a little more expensive here, and you can see you can have a comfort car, XL car, if you need more seats or more space, and then the price will be more expensive. But let's choose the economic, and you can see where all the economic cars is on the map here, next to my location. 63 baht, 8 minutes to be here, and it have 4 seats for 4 persons. I select economic, and I see my location, and it shows the location for the taxi. It takes 6 minutes for the taxi to be here. You see the price down here, economic, and I confirm my order. And then it makes connection to the driver, and you will see a photo of the driver, and it will be here in 7 minutes, says up here. It's a Toyota Vios red, and you see the number plates here. You can chat with the driver, and you can see what the price is, 63 baht. You can cancel and everything. And you can see where you're going. You can change where you're going here. You can edit your destination. So let's see about the driver when he arrives. Okay, guys, I have to cancel my last trip on Bolt app because I got an important phone call. But then I take a new one. I waited half an hour, and now the price is up to 76 baht. It was 63 before. So the price can change depending about how many drivers there is and what time of the day it is. The weekday can also be a factor when about the price. So in the weekends it's more expensive, and about when about dinner time it can be a little more expensive too. But you can see half hour can do that. My trip cost me a little bit more today with the economic. So you see, and now it disappear because I think they are very busy, the economic cars at the moment. So then it goes out, you know, like this. I have to wait. Then it's back, and then you can see on my map here it takes 11 minutes in the green dots here. 11 minutes to go here, and my location is at the green dot. You can always follow yourself, your location with your phone with the blue dot below the green dot. And then I accept here, and then we wait for a driver to take my order. I think they are very busy at the moment. That's why the price is going up. This is something with the algorithm. There was a driver, and then the driver has accepted. He will be here in 11 minutes. And you can chat with the driver. He can call you anything, and you can see here's my position, and here's the driver's position, and you can follow the driver in the map. Where he's going, how far he is, and how long it takes him to get here. It takes 11 minutes, as you can see down here. And you can see actually this driver have another customer right now. So he have to deliver that customer first. And after he delivered, he will come to me, to my position, my location. And we can scroll down here. We can chat to the driver. We can see all the location where he picks me up, where he takes me with the blue dot, and you can change where you want to go. It says cash 76 baht. You can contact the driver and you can cancel the ride. If you cancel the ride, if you cancel the ride 8 or 10 times in a row, you will be blocked to the app for 1 hour. Don't be afraid to be blocked by the Bolt app, because after 1 hour it will unlock again. But if you if you cancel too many rides in a row, I think it's about 10, then it will block you from ordering anything on Bolt. But as I say, it takes about 1 hour, and then you are unlocked again on the Bolt app. And when the driver is near you, about 2 minutes, there will be a sound in your phone that tells you that be ready to be picked up, and there will be a sound like a bell or something like that. You see, he will be here in 2 minutes. Be ready, it say. And let's go out and see if the driver comes here. He will be arriving here. Yeah, Nissan. Yeah. Okay, and let's go into the taxi. Sawadee-krap.
Sawadee-krap.
Sawadee-krap. And sometimes the driver will ask you where you go, and I will say I will go to I Love Emily restaurant in Jomtien Soy 7. And of course, depending about how the heavy traffic is, depends about how fast you will get to your destination. So if heavy traffic like now, it can take a few minutes more, but this trip normally takes about 10 minutes or so. So I'm about, I think, 4 or 5 kilometers from my destination. So it's very easy way to go by a taxi, a Bolt taxi in Pattaya or in Thailand. I'm from Denmark, so we are not allowed to have Bolt taxi in Denmark, so I cannot use Bolt in Denmark because you have to be a registered taxi driver. It's another matter in Thailand. So, but let's see when we get to my destination in Emily restaurant in Jomtien.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm at my destination at Emily here, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, that was a trip with the Bolt taxi. And when you arrive to your destination, the Bolt app will give you a choice for giving stars, up to 5 stars, as you see here. And I will give my driver 5 stars. See? And then the trip is over. And as I showed you in my video, I always give 10 or 20 baht in tip. It's up to you if you want to give tip, but it's always payment by cash. You cannot put in your credit card yet, like in Grab, the Grab app, taxi app, but I think it will come. So let's give it time. And remember always to give 5 stars. And now my food is here and my coffee is here, so I will say goodbye from this time. So guys, that was the way how to make a Bolt taxi trip. And I will go in and enjoy my, what do you call it, lunch or breakfast in Emily restaurant. And I will see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe. I hope this video helped you making a ride with a Bolt app. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. See you.